dila teraz ešte neskončila palebná úloha.
And connection with the JFCC.
Well, he calculate on the calculator, and I can measure here.
Read out.
And we
How
can
you know,
You use
how
the,
you put the
measure the distance in meters, thousands of meters.
À droite, lui à gauche après. Lui à droite, après ça t'écris ton billet, puis après ça c'est pas permis qu'on batte le feu par là. Ben 4 au Canada. Sur le ducal, ça t'empêche, ça t'empêche son compte. Commence en Louisiane.
À du chiffre, puis on va être capable d'envoyer des corrections, soit correction à l'impact ou
No, vediamo una partita magari un po' più stabile.
Vabbè.
Ah, sta il tuo.
It's for sure okay. If the identification, the operator go to very high temperature when they engage.
Attivazione! Ingaggio! Ingaggio! Alzo! Alzo! Anticipo! Anticipo! Fuoco! Missiu!
Fairly new within the newly formed multinational brigade, Latvia. So everything is starting from zero, and we have integrated the Italian platoon within our air defense battery. So it's a multinational battery. It's also the first time that we deploy outside Canada since the 90s for air defense. So it's a fairly new challenge for us. We are part of NATO. It's important for us to show our commitment to our allied nation. I think being part of Latvia, integrating with our culture, integrating with their armed forces is a key milestone for us in order to be being able to face bigger war in the world, because we will never be able to face war alone. We need each other, and we need to train with each other in order to be ready. What we've seen in Ukraine has informed us, especially for the air defense, about the aerial threat. So which will be ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, airplane, helicopters, uncrewed aerial system have been growing immensely, and being part of the battle is even more now important. So protecting against an air threat has become more crucial to the success of a mission nowadays. So for us, the big lesson learned we've been taking from Ukraine is especially defending against uncrewed aerial system. They have been prominent on the battle. They are a game changer, and we want to make sure we protect our brigade against those in order for the brigade to be successful.